Welcome back to another video. We're doing this live as we speak. We're going to be recording live trades coming next week. Right now we're trading the Audusd and the Great British Pound Yen on a demo account. So we've entered FTMO. But before I show the FTMO account, we need to see what we're doing on the Audusd. The Audusd currency pair right now is short-term buying. So we have this wavy action here in the buying and selling zone, but it's showing a higher high. So this Audusd on the hour is showing a higher high. On the 4 hours, it is in a buying zone. So if you see this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and it's over the HMA, the whole moving average. Right now, the trend says bearish, but we're looking to use a 13 and 5 moving average to indicate our buys for 45 pip stop loss and take profit. So that's what we're doing on the Audusd. And on GJ, we have this glorious looking higher high, higher low Twin Towers candle setup, or even shoulder heads, if you will. Currently selling for the hour, but we're also looking to buy for the 4 hours. So longer time frame, the longer time trade. Wow, and there you go. So our 4 supply is already touching, and we have an indication for a buy. So these two pairs will be trading on the FTMO trading platform, and we'll give an update about how we do that. So here's how the trade's going right now. We've profited a demo of $800, and we've got an unrealized loss of 71. What we want to see is Audusd and GJ make buys according to the 5-15 SMA strategy. When they cross, basically they will go up. The EA will purchase buys and go up. Okay. So if the trend is up and the HMAs or the SMAs are facing upward, the trend will tell the EA that it's upward. And another thing I should mention about this EA is that it is triggered by the ADX. So we can update later about how the ADX works, but generally speaking, this EAs can buy, sell based on the ADX and how you set the ACE and the SMAs. Alright, so most of the trades that were placed are on the Audusd. You can see an example of where they were placed. But as of recently, the SMAs are now 5 and 15. So coming this Sunday, Monday, we'll take trades on a bullish direction with the Audusd and Great British Pound Yen. And there's my PC running low. We'll come back with another video next week. I'll talk to you later. Bye.